Welcome to AD Kids TV. Hello friend, I am a letter S. I am a uppercase letter. Hi friend, I am a letter S. I am a lowercase letter. World starts with letter S. S is for snail. S is for snail.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name.
S is for sandwich. S is for sandwich.
And Geo and Bingo was his name.
S is for snowman. S is for snowman.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name.
S is for shark.
Geo,
S is for shark.
Geo and Bingo was his name.
S is for soap. S is for soap.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was
S is for star. S is for star.
Oh, and Bingo was his name.
S is for sun. S is for sun.
There was a farmer had a dog.
Thank you for watching our channel.
And Bingo was his name.
Please subscribe our channel, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.